I made my first 100 videos on this channel and earned $0. Not a little money, not gas money, zero. 100 videos posted every single day for nothing. And I even made a video on video 100 saying exactly that. And it is still up. You can go check. And here's the part that might sound crazy. I would do every single one of them again. Today, I'm going to tell you why that $0 stretch was the most valuable thing that I have ever built. Because if you are out there posting into silence right now, or you're too scared to start because it might not work, this video is your medicine. Because here's what I know now that I could not see back then. Those 100 videos, they were not failures. They were tuition. And I was paying for an education. I just was not paying with money. I was paying with repetition. And I know the fear that keeps most of you from starting because it is the most reasonable fear in the world. What if I put in all that work and nothing happens? And I want to be honest about what that stretch actually feels like because nobody shows you this part. You post a video that you worked hard on, 19 views. And then you post another one, 23 views. You check your phone like something changed in the last hour. It did not. And then the silence, it starts whispering to you. Nobody cares. This is not working. You are embarrassing yourself. I heard that whisper for months, but I posted anyway. And thank God I did because the whisper was wrong about everything. So I want you to hear who is telling you this. I'm a woman who started in this country with no safety net. I came in this country alone. I could not afford to waste a year on nothing, not financially, not emotionally, not at 51 years old. So when I tell you those 100 videos were not wasted, I'm not being inspirational. I am being accurate. Now, here are 3 things that those $0 videos, they were actually doing behind my back. Number 1, every one of those videos, they taught me something that no $2,000 course ever managed to teach me. And believe me, I bought the courses. I sat through the modules like a good student and I took the notes. I highlighted the workbook. The courses did not teach me this. The repetitions, they taught me this. Video by video, I learned how to talk to a camera like it is one woman sitting across me from my kitchen table instead of an audience that was grading me. I learned that when I mess up a sentence, I do not stop recording. I just pause and then I say it again and I keep going. And then the editing takes care of the rest. I learned that a title can kill a good video or save it. And let me give you a real example of that last one because it changed my whole channel. Now, I had a video sitting at about 50 views, stuck. It was going nowhere. And instead of blaming the video, I looked at the title and I rewrote it around the real wound in that story. And then 2 days later, that video took off. And it has brought tens of thousands of people to this channel. Same video, different door. The lesson alone is worth 100 free videos. And I only learned it because I had 100 videos to practice on. None of that came from a course. All of it came from repetition. You cannot buy repetition. You can only do them. And most people, they quit before the tuition pays out, which brings me to the second thing that those videos were doing. Number 2, they were finding my lane. Those 100 videos were how I found my lane. I need you to hear how that actually works because everybody gets this backward. You do not think your way to your niche. You talk your way to it. I posted about all kinds of things in those early months. And I was watching which videos made people comment, which one made strangers subscribe, which ones felt like me coming out of my own mouth, and which ones felt like a costume. The viewers told me what my YouTube channel was. I just had to post enough for them to have something to vote on. So you cannot find your lane sitting in your kitchen thinking about it for 6 months. The lane is out there on the other side of videos that you have not made yet. I only found mine because I was willing to walk down the wrong ones on camera. And the third thing that those videos were doing, it is my favorite because it is still paying me today. Thing number three, those videos were compound interest, and I did not know it because here's what happened. I got monetized at video 164. And the day the money switch flipped, it did not just switch for that one video, video number 164. It flipped for all of them. Every video I had made for free for nobody in the dark, they started working for money. The whole catalog clocked in at once. And it gets better. Video I'd made months ago for 30 views, they get found by strangers today while I am asleep. Last month, one of my videos took off and brought thousands of people to a catalog of 200 videos waiting to greet them. You know what those people did? They binged. So it's like having your own Netflix. It's like having your own Netflix network. Videos that earn nothing in January are earning right now, tonight. So understand what a $0 video actually is. It is not unpaid work. It is delayed work. The early repetition, they do not pay you now. They pay you later with interest. Every video you post into the silence, it is you loading a shelf in a store that is not open yet. The day the doors open, everything on the shelves is for sale. And this is the part that separates YouTube from every job that you have ever had. At a job, work you did in January is gone. Paid once, finished, spent. On here, the work stacks. Every video is a little worker that never quits, never sleeps, and never asks for a raise. For months, I thought that I was working for free. I was actually hiring a staff. 100 little workers standing by waiting for opening day. So, if you are in your $0 stretch right now, subscribe and stay close because this YouTube channel is living proof of the other side. 100 videos at zero, monetized at 164 video, and now it pays me while I sleep. The whole journey is documented here day by day, and yours can be too. So here's what your $0 videos are really doing. Small enough for you to carry. Number one, they are tuition, repetition that no course can sell you. Number two, they are the search party for your lane. You talk your way there. You do not think your way there. Number three, they are compound interest, loading shelves for a store that has not opened its door yet. The women who make it on here, they are not the ones who started brilliant. They are the ones who were willing to be bad in public long enough to get good. But let me tell you the reason I would do all 100 videos again. Because the biggest thing those videos built was not the catalog. It was me. Somewhere in that stretch, posting every day for nothing, something in me changed. I stopped performing. I stopped checking how I looked to people 100 times. I showed up scared and imperfect in public, and I survived it. You cannot stay the same woman after that. The shame, it just runs out. It gets tired before you do. I used to rewatch my videos and cringe at everything. My accent, the pauses, the hair that day. And somewhere around video 40 or 50, I noticed the cringe getting quieter. And it's not because the videos, they got better. It's not also because the videos got perfect, because I stopped auditioning for people who were not even watching. That is the freedom that nobody sells you. It cannot be bought. It can only be earned, one imperfect upload at a time. And there was something even deeper. On January 1st, I made a promise to my younger self. And for 100 days with $0 to show for it, I kept it anyway. Do you know what it does to a woman to finally become someone who keeps her word to herself? After a lifetime of keeping it to everybody else first, that is what the $0 bought me. A woman that I could trust. The money came later. It always comes later. But she showed up first. So you will not start good, my friend. You will start embarrassing. Start anyway. The embarrassing version of you is out there right now, paving the road for the paid version. And that is not failure walking. That is a second birth. And if you're ready to start your YouTube channel, I made you something free. It is called Press Record Ready. And it is a workbook that gets you from thinking about it to actually ready to record with what you already own. It even has a little tool that turns one fact about your life into your first 5 video ideas. The link is in the description and it costs you nothing but an email. Now, tell me in the comments, what is the thing you will not start because you are scared to be bad at it first? Name it. Right there where we can all see it. This is your day one talking, and I read every single one. All right. If we have not met yet, I am Webley. I'm 51 years old, 100 free videos deep, and glad about every one of them. And I will meet you back here tomorrow.